Hi there, I'm Tim from Web Ninja. We've been using Way We Do for about 3 to 4 years. It's really helped us streamline our business processes and procedures and get people more involved in the business. Web Ninja is a company that builds integrated e-commerce websites. We put our software on the server next to your accounting software, such as MYOB, QuickBooks, Xero and Attaché. It's important for us because we tend to find that people most of our staff have been there for quite a while now, and people like to do their own things. They think they know how it's done, but we find that people don't really follow one process. So Way We Do has allowed us to set up checklists that people follow, making sure that everything's done in a sequence. I loved it, yeah. This one-day workshop's been great. It's a small group of people. Jackie's been really great with this presentation, so she's taken us, because everyone's on different levels here. I've been using Way We Do for quite a while, but there are a lot of people here that are just starting out using Way We Do. So she's taken the training session from the point of not knowing anything about Way We Do, right through, and I've noticed that some of the things she's taken us through I didn't really know, and I've been using it for quite a while, so it's been really handy for someone like me that's been using it. Definitely, yeah. I much prefer, I'm a people's person, so I much prefer to be able to come here and meet people, shake their hand, and it gives me a really easy opportunity to put my hand up and say, hey, and ask a question and get clarification on things I'm not sure about. Definitely recommend Way We Do. Our business has become a lot better since we've used it, and I think any business from small to large enterprise level corporations would benefit from using it. Getting things out of your head and then putting them into a proper procedure that everyone has a visibility over.